Okay, for this one, which fraction is last? Last means smaller. So if you look at this, 8 and 7, this one is smaller. So this one is the answer. Next one. So this one is the answer. Just copy here. Next one, 9 and 5/9. So 9 is the last number. So this one. So that is the answer. Next one, you have 54/63. So for this question is look at their common denominators is 7 and 9. So 7 times 9 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. So for the first fraction, you're going to times 9 on the numerator and denominator. On the 5/9 fraction, you're going to times the factor of 7. So then you get 35/63, 54/63, and you're gonna see last, right? So last is the smallest value, so it'll be this one. So this is your answer. So you know this is your answer. So the next one is again the same thing, right? So you have 9 and 11. So their least common denominator is 99. So for the first fraction, you're going to times 1 times 11, 9 times 11, so 11/99. The second one, you're going to do 3 times 9 is 27, 11 times 9, 99. And so compare 11 and 27. 11 has the last value. So that's what you're going to do. So for the next one, you have, so now we're going to do greater. Greater means the biggest value, right? So the same thing, you find the least common denominator first, which is 63, and then you compare the numerator, which one has the greater value. So for that, this one has the greater value. So the answer is this one. So the answer is this one. So the next one, which one has the greater value? So we're gonna say, so for this one, 2/3 is greater than 1/3. So we're gonna say this one is the answer. And for this one, 4/5, 4/9, and 5/9. So you're gonna have this one is the answer because 5 is greater than 4. And for this one, you're gonna look at this is 7, and this is 22. So this is the answer. So just copy it and put it here. This one is the greatest value. For this one, you're gonna again find the common denominator, and then figure out which one has the greatest value. 72 is greater than 55, so 72 is the answer. And this one, 36 is the answer. And the next one, 24 and 5, compare with that. 24 has the greatest value. Now for this one, you're going to come this one least to the greatest. So 1, 4, 7. So 1 is the least one. So I'm going to change this one to 1 and change this to 7. And so which is less than, that's your symbol. So the next one, so 1, 3, 9 doesn't go, right? Because it had to be 7 first. 7 and then 9. So you're going to do and for this one you can see 22.99, so be 100 should be the last. So delete this one. And then put it here. But this should be, and I'm going to put the, so that is the secret. Okay, now it's your turn to practice.